Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem. Solution: 7 power 8 minus 7 power 7. Now this 7 power 8 can be written as 7 plus 1 minus 7 to the power of 7. Now we are going to apply this express identity that a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. This express identity we are going to apply here. So we'll get 7 power 7 times 7 power 1 minus 7 power 7. Now we are able to see 7 power 7 here, 7 power 7 here. So we are going to take common out. So 7 power 7 open bracket, 7 power this one is 7 minus 1 close bracket. Now 7 power 7 open bracket, 7 power 1 is 7 minus 1 is 6 close bracket. Now we have 7 power 7 times 6. Now this 7 power 7, this 7 can be written as 6 plus 1. So 7 power 6 plus 1 times 6. So we are going to apply again this express identity here, that is a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. So 7 power 6 times 7 power 1 times 6. Here 7 power 6 times this 7 times 6. Now 7 power 6 times 7 times of 6 can be written as 42. In this step 7 power 6 times 42. Now we are going to express this 7 power 6 here. So 7 power 6 equal to 7 times of 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 7. Now this 7 times of 7 times of 7 is 343. Same way this 7 times of 7 times of 7 is 343. Now we are going to multiply this here. 343 times 343. Now this can be written as 343 times this 300 can be written as 300 plus this 40 can be written as 40 plus 3. Now we are going to multiply with this and this first. Now so 343 times 300 plus this 343 times 40 plus 343 times 3. Now we are going to multiply this first and this second and this third. So here 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 2 here, 1 here. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. This 2 zeros plus here 4 times 3 is 12. Here 2 and 1 here. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 1, 7, 1 here, 4 times 3 is 12, plus this 1 is 13, here it is 0, plus here 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 1 here, 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Now we are going to add this 3, so plus 2, 7, 3, 1. Yeah, we are going to add this first. So 0, 2, and here 6, 1, 6, and 1 here, 1. Now we are going to add this and this now. So 1, 1, 6, 6, 2, 0, plus 1, 0, 2, 9. Added 2, 0, 9, 2, 0, 1. Here 9, 4, 6, 7, 1, here 1. So we have 1, 1, 7, 6, 4, 9. Now just recall this. Recall 7 to the power of 6 times 42. Now we found that 7 to the power of 6 equal to 117,649. We are going to multiply with this 42. So times 42. Now 2 times 9 is 18, 1 carry, here is 8 plus 1, 9, here 12, 2, carry 1, and 14 plus 1 is 15, 1 carry, here is 2 plus 1 is 3, and here it is 2. Now same way we are going to multiply with this 4. This 4 times 9 is 36, 6. Here it is 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3 is 9. Here 1. 4 times 6 is 24 plus 1 is 5. Here it is 2. Here 28 plus 2 is 0, and it is 3. 4 plus 3 is 7, and 4 times 1 is 4. This we are going to plus. Here it is 8, 5, 1 carry, 12, 1 carry, 11, 1 carry, here 4, here it is 9, 4. This is the final answer for given problem. That is 7 to the power of 8 minus 7 to the power of 7 equal to 4941,258. This is the final answer for given problem. Thanks for watching this video.